Hey, my beautiful babes. Welcome into my channel. Thank you so much for coming to hang out with me today. On this channel, I believe that age is just a number when it comes to pursuing your dreams. I'm Sweet Angel, and today we're diving into a topic that is near and dear to my heart. Why you're never too old to start a YouTube channel. But before we get into it, y'all, let me just share with you something that I have fallen in love with. Okay, my intention is to definitely start doing more cooking on my channel and showing y'all some little dishes that I love to whip up. So this particular item is a Ventre L-Grill smokeless electric indoor grill. It's a versatile and innovative appliance that brings the joy of grilling indoors without the smoke and hassle. With its advanced features and sleek design, it offers a convenient and enjoyable grilling experience right in the comfort of your own home. Now this I am definitely going to enjoy. See, one of the standout features of this Ventre L-Grill is its smokeless technology. Using an advanced smoke extraction system, it effectively reduces smoke production while still delivering deliciously grilled food. This means you can enjoy the flavors and textures of grilled dishes without the worry of setting off smoke alarms or filling your kitchen with unwanted smoke. I'm excited about getting perfectly seared marks and consistent cooking results every time, whether I'm going to be grilling burgers, steaks, vegetables, or even seafood like I did the other day. I put on some shrimp and they were amazing. The Ventre L-Grill provides excellent heat control for precise cooking. And guess what? Cleanup is a breeze as well. The grill plate is made of non-stick, dishwasher-safe material, allowing for effortless cleanup. Plus, the detachable parts make it easy to remove and wash, ensuring that maintenance is hassle-free. I am going to be loving this Ventre L-Grill because, hey, guess what? I don't have to go out in the heat. I can do my grilling right in the house. So say goodbye to the limitations of traditional grilling and say hello to the ease and convenience of this Ventre L-Grill. Hey, check out my link in the description box. You'll find it right under this video. Check it out and you'll be glad you did. Baby, I'm whipping up some great dishes, so stick and stay for that. Now on to today's video. Now that's exciting, but let me tell you what's also exciting, beautiful babes. This I want you to know. Many people think that YouTube is exclusively for the younger generation, but I'm here to challenge that notion. Whether you're in your 40s, 50s, 60s, or beyond, this video is dedicated to showing you that starting a YouTube channel is an exciting and fulfilling journey, no matter your age. So why don't you just grab you a cup of coffee or whatever you love to drink, sit back, and let's explore 10 reasons why you are not too old to start a YouTube channel. Get ready to unleash your creativity, inspire others, and embark on a new journey. So let me just share with you 10 reasons why you are not too old to start a YouTube channel. Number one being, there is a wide age range audience. YouTube has a diverse user base that spans across various age groups. People of all ages use the platform to consume content, which means there is an audience for every age group, including older individuals. Unique perspective. As an older person, you bring a unique perspective and life experiences that can resonate with many viewers. Your stories, wisdom, and insights can be valuable and interesting to a wide range of people. Growing older demographic. The demographic of older YouTube users is steadily growing. Many older individuals are embracing technology and turning to YouTube for entertainment education and inspiration. By starting a channel, you can tap into this growing market. Lifelong learning. YouTube is a platform that promotes continuous learning. By starting a YouTube channel, you can share your own journey of acquiring new skills, exploring hobbies, or pursuing passions. Viewers of all ages appreciate content that encourages personal growth, inspiring others. Starting a YouTube channel as an older person can inspire others who may feel hesitant about pursuing their own creative endeavors. By sharing your story or showcasing your achievements, you can motivate others to follow their dreams regardless of age. Connecting with like-minded individuals. YouTube provides an opportunity to connect with like-minded individuals who share similar interests and passions. By creating content, you can foster a community of viewers who appreciate your perspective and engage in meaningful discussions. Supplementing retirement income. YouTube offers monetization options through advertising, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Starting a YouTube channel can be a way to supplement your retirement income and potentially turn your passion into a profitable venture. Leaving a digital legacy. Creating a YouTube channel allows you to leave a digital legacy for future generations. You can document your life experiences, share family stories, or provide advice for younger individuals. Your channel can serve as a time capsule and be cherished by your loved ones. Personal growth and development. Starting a YouTube channel involves acquiring new skills such as video editing, content creation, and public speaking. Engaging in these activities can contribute to personal growth and development, keeping your mind sharp and active. It's never too late. Lastly, let me mention this. It's important to remember that it's never too late to start something new. YouTube provides a platform for anyone to share their passions and interests with the world. Age should never be a barrier to pursuing your dreams or sharing your voice. Now see there, look at all the brainstorming you can do right now to get your channel started. So many opportunities out there, from the incredible diversity of YouTube's audience to the opportunity for personal growth, financial benefits, and even leaving a digital legacy. So you can share your wisdom, your hobbies, or simply connect with like-minded individuals. YouTube has a place for you. So don't let age hold you back, beautiful babe. I want to thank you for sharing my journey with me right here on YouTube. So I want you to get started as well. I'll be having more videos popping up like this. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and join this thriving community. And when you get your channel started, let me know. I want to be part of your journey as well. It's time to grab your camera or your cell phone and unleash your creativity. And hey, show the world what you're made of. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, signing out for now. Thank you so much for coming to hang out with me today on this video. I definitely hope to see you all on this community doing your own thing, and I want to be part of it. So please, if you already have a channel, drop your handle down in the comments. Let us all find out what you're up to, and yes, we will definitely subscribe. Listen, I'll see y'all on the next video. Take care until then. In the meantime and in between time, make sure you drop a like on this video, drop your comments down below, drop your handle if you have a YouTube channel. And did I say subscribe to this channel? Please do that. Also, if you have someone who's interested in starting a YouTube channel, make sure you share this video with them. I will see y'all in the next video. Take care until then. Bye.